What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're starting something very exciting. We're going to be painting the 350z's body kit. So yeah guys, as I just said, we're painting the 350z's body kit and we're doing it properly. That means using a spray gun. Now, my girlfriend's dad has very kindly given me, or let me borrow, his air compressor so I can use this spray gun with this paint that I bought from Dual Paints, and it's been mixed, you can see there, to Nissan WV2 Silver Metallic, and that's a full kit that I can basically mix up and paint the body kit with. I'm hoping it's going to be enough for all pieces. The body kit is made of 3 pieces. It's got the front splitter, the 2 side skirts, and then obviously the 2 rear spats. So sort of it's 5 pieces in total, 3 sort of individual pieces of body. So I'm hoping that goes around them all. So the first job really is to get it all off. So yeah, we're going to go do that now. First up is the side skirts. These are held on with 2 plastic clips at the front and 2 at the back. Then I simply open the door and slide it off. Same as the other side, 2 on the front, 2 on the back, then slide off. The rear spats are held in with screws, 1 at the front and then 2 on the underside. And wow, check out this dust from just a year of driving, and it barely goes out in the rain. So here is the body kit. 1 splitter, 2 side skirts, and 2 rear spats. And I can't wait to finally remove this horrible old splitter that the car still has on it. This has been on here since before I owned the car. So first things first guys, because these have been in the car for a while, we're going to give these a good clean up with some soapy water and then some white spirit, so ready for painting, nice and clean, good base for the paint. So let's go get some soapy water first of all. I'm giving these a really good scrub. The rear spats have been on the car for a couple of years almost, so they are a bit grimy. So a good load of soapy water is going to make the difference. Both of these are obviously getting the treatment. Followed by the side skirts, and I really do forget how big these side skirts actually are. Then just for a quick towel off, and now it's time to mix some paint. Opening the lid and checking thankfully it's the correct colour, we mix it to 1 part paint, then 1 part thinners. Give it a really good mix. This is then poured into the spray gun and is ready to go. Mask on right now, look at that. Now, I'm no painter and would never claim to be. This is my first time doing this, so I am really nervous. First coat on, and it is looking pretty good. Now for a second, more thicker coat. And again, it's actually looking really good. I'm so pleased. Now it's time for some lacquer. This stuff is so dusty when it's being sprayed, but I pressed on and it looks so good. Whoa, check that out. They look amazing. Top coat's still a little bit tacky, but they look sick. Well, I know it's quite bright out here, but they're not. It's not horrendously far off. I'm really pleased with them. So now it's onto the bit that I've been dreading. Okay guys, so we're onto the bit that I've been dreading the most, which is the side skirts. And the reason for that is that's one massive piece of fiberglass. So I think we have to spend a bit of time making a paint pot up for just one side skirt, paint one, then paint the other. So yeah, let's just get on and do it.
Now for the side skirts, the part I've been dreading. We give them a quick rub with some white spirit. Mix up some more paint and pour it into the gun, and just go for it. Now remember, these side skirts are quite rare, made to order in fact, so I've always been scared of ruining them, so this job is very stressful. I make sure to take my time and make sure all the side skirt is covered in paint. After one layer, it's time for a second, more thicker coat. And so far so good. Now let's mix some more lacquer and spray on a nice thick coat of it, making sure to really build up the layers. And here they are in my conservatory drying off. I'm going to leave them for a good couple of days and then come back to them.
Okay guys, so it's been a couple of days, the paint's all dry on the parts. They look amazing, they feel amazing. I think I've done a really good job considering it's my first time and I'm not a professional painter. Let's go see how they look back on the car.
Putting the certs on is basically the reverse of taking them off. Open the door, slide them in and reattach the clips. And my god, I'm already in love. On goes the other side. And then finished off with the rear spats. My cat came to see the final product because, wow, I've got no words.
Got oil on you, Leroy. You've been sat under my car again, haven't you? Silly old cat, you. I think that looks amazing. That is like the coolest thing. As someone growing up watching Max Power playing Need for Speed games, that is like the ultimate boy racer's dream right there. Cat agrees as well. Cat is celebrating the moment with me. I think that looks amazing. It's good to see your creation come to life. Still loads more to do though. Anyway guys, enough of the emotional stuff. I think it looks amazing. I think we've done absolute ace job. All of it, all the way along. Even these rear bits just there. And unfortunately, if you're thinking this video I'm painting the full kit because I still have the front bit to do, then you're mistaken because I've run out of paint and I've got a few things else planned with this front bumper. So unfortunately, I'm going to leave that to another video for the full kit. So yeah, I'm going to leave it here guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've enjoyed coming along on this paint journey with me. I've never done it before. I've never used a spray gun and I think they look amazing. I think we've got the colour match just right. Don't ask me how because I have no idea. We just sort of winged it like a lot of things. But yeah, if you like the video guys, don't forget to like. Please subscribe to the channel. We're almost to 2,000 subscribers. I want to make that my goal. Don't forget to check my merch store, links in the description, and links to where I got the paint from and all that sort of stuff, always in the description guys. And I will see you in the next video. Keep modifying those cars and yeah, leave a comment as well. I want to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.